Okay, kids, now we're making the pizza sauce. The pizza sauce has 7 vegetables, and guess what? It also has ghee, bottle gourd. What vegetables have you used?
Celery, pumpkin, tomatoes, bottle gourd.
Add some red pepper. This is called red pepper. And little bit coriander we put later. Later we put this back. Yeah. Good. Just the garlic. And with this we want some onions also. Add the half of these onions. So 1 cup water. I think अब हम इसको धीमी आंच पे पकने के लिए छोड़ेंगे और ऊपर से डालेंगे नमक स्वाद अनुसार. When they become soft, can you see they are soft? I can cut through them almost. That means they are ready. Now we can put them in the mixer and grind them to a paste. Stirring your sauce, otherwise it will stick to the pan. We are going to make a dough. What is a dough?
आटा गूंदना हुआ.
लेकिन आपने इसको आटे के जैसे नहीं गूंदना. You have to be very, very gentle. So first, we will take a counter. Just pick this up. And you have to dust the counter. Clear? Clear? Then you have to dust your hands. Okay? Okay, do you guys want to do this together? So camera. Yeah. Very soft, very gentle, one child at a time. One child at a time. You will put the dough out. And then again. Now watch this carefully. This portion of your hand has to be used. So fold 1, fold 2, fold 3, fold 4. Then inward. अभी चिपकेगा ये हाथ में. Then again fold 1. You see how soft the dough is? You have to keep it this soft. अगर आपका dough hard हुआ है, that means वो pizza base नहीं बनेगा. Can you do this? कितना समय लगा? Start. Put it out now. Put it out the center over here. Dry your hands with the flour on whatever is comfortable. Yes. Very good. Very good. खुल रहा है अपने आप. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, अपने आप खुल रहा है. That's because of the good. This is how your final dough should look like. Once you have this dough, you have to put it in a greased bowl. So I put some olive oil in the bowl. We have to leave it out covered for 2 hours. For
2 hours.
After 2 hours, what's going to happen? We'll show you. I want you to grease it with some olive oil or ghee, whatever you can find. सेंटर में उसको स्प्रेड करो और साइड्स तक लेके जाओ, बहुत स्लोली. Spread it properly. In every bite, I should get some sauce. In every bite, I should get sauce and vegetables, and just crumble it like this. Okay. What is this?
Honey yogurt.
So very quickly, I'm going to put the yogurt on top. Okay, so let's put the pizzas in the oven to bake for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Okay, now